some really cool Smashers and a Dino Ice Age surprise. Thank you so much, ZURU, for sending them to me. We've got 3 mini surprise eggs. We've got over 25 surprises in the giant eggs. I've got some awesome Smashers. Can't wait to start smashing them open. If you're ready to start unboxing, hit that like button now. I'm going to open the big egg and my little sister Lucy is going to open the mini surprise. Let's go. Let's go. Let's open it. Let's open it. Cracking like a dinosaur. I've got a big bag. I'm going to open it. I'm opening the bag. And my sister Lucy's opening hers, I'm going to open mine. It feels like gooey slime. I've got dinosaur pieces in here. I've got the feet, guys. Got arms. This one's crystal slime, guys. It's well good. There's the body. And what else? Now I've got frozen slime, guys. I'm going to dig my way out. I've got a head, guys. Wow, guys, we've built the dinosaur. I love it. I've got a Smash-o-saur head, guys. I've got 2 feet. This is how we connect the pieces, guys. Before I smash the egg, this is how we build it, guys. Here it is, guys. I'm going to smash it. What? How cool. That's a baby Toothy. Aww. Cute. That was a good smash, guys. Good job, Luce. Got chili mammoth, guys. So I've got the water for the grind snow. We are going to tip it in. Wow. Well, let's open it. It's so cool. Looks like it has some snow inside. Here's a wing. A wing? The slime feels like... Slime feels like some... It feels like snow. It feels like fluffy snow. There's another wing. And another one. Let's look. We're going to do this with one and squat. This slime is also really cloudy and a bit goopy. Isn't it, Lucy? Ow, look how cool this dinosaur is. We've got a blizzard one, guys. We've got a really huge dinosaur, really huge dinosaur. And we've got 6 smashers. So me and my sister are going to smash some. I'm ready, guys. Triceratops! So guys, I've got my egg and I'm ready to smash it. I've got snake. Woo! Smash that. I love it! Because I didn't drop it too high. Guys, I've got another one. I'm ready to smash. Whoa! It's pterodactyl. Pterodactyl. I'm the smasher queen. The baby moose. I'm tired because I'm tired. She is. I got Tom Doyle's hair. We're going to open the smasher. Toronto.
My turn. It's a reindeer doggy.
I got one too. Time to smash. Whoa!
What is that?
We've got Sub-Zero Mosquito.
It's my turn. Oops. I've got a frosty fox. And this
A green rat.
I got a cold rat.
Yeah.
I've got the slime edition. It's gonna be wet. So what we got, guys? We've got the Ultra Rare! Cool Caveman! So he glows in the dark.
So guys, we found the one we wanted. We wanted the cool caveman. And he glows in the dark and it's so awesome. We've got one egg left. Let's smash it. And we've got extra cold. Looks extra cold to be fair. It's freezing cold. So we've had so much fun, guys. Got awesome smashes haul. I am so happy I found the Ultra Rare. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you guys soon. Bye.